Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nhung. This is my homework. This sound and T sound. The first T sound. T sound. T, t, t. 10, 10. Chalk, chalk. Tomato, tomato. Ticket, ticket. Tide, tide. Tennis, tennis. Telephone, telephone. Student, student. Steak, steak. Photo, photo. Pretty. Upstairs, upstairs. Potato, Boston. Treat, catch, catch. Walked, walked. Want, meet, night, couch. How to change the drawing. I took a try with my teacher to a town to take a sketch. I showed a student playing standing with the style and the two key. And this sound d, 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 d. Decide, flood, rain, bad, cad, ride, ride. The method, lad. I have a dream. We ate dinner with my dad. It was delightful. I further a dog. He liked to read in the date. It's a date. Thank you for watching.